What's up everyone, welcome back to a midweek video, and in today's how-to video we're going to be showing you how to fix something that happens to every modern car nowadays. It happens to almost every car. If you've not had this happen, it will happen to you at some point. But first we need to head down to the shop and pick up the materials. Sorry, my bad, roll the intro.
Oh look, this is YouTube life. Look, mansion, private jet, pool, boat,
Island,
a GT86 or a Subaru Everest.
So that's all the stuff we need from Halfords. Now we're going to head down to Andrew Watt in Wishy. Is it in Wishy?
Wishaw.
Wishaw, Wishy, the same thing.
Bubble gear now for saying wishy.
But yeah, we'll grab the stuff. We need some thinners from Andrew Watt, so we'll go grab that and then we'll see you at the house. So unfortunately, Andrew Watt didn't have any thinners left, so we're going to have to order it online, so that just means that we won't have any today. So hopefully...
We'll get it tomorrow. We'll get next day delivery on it.
So hopefully we've got enough to do what we need to now. So we're back from the shop now, and if you haven't guessed already, we're going to be doing a headlight and taillight restoration. This happens to many cars, usually modern day cars, because all the headlights are made out of plastic, and the UV damages the outer plastic and makes it hazy. But this is an easy fix, and we're going to show you how to do it.
Okay guys, first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to get the headlights a clean to get the dirt off them, and then we're going to attack them with some wet and dry sandpaper. I've got a 1500 grit soaking in the bucket because yours aren't too bad. If your headlights are really bad, you might want to start with an 800 or 1000, just something a bit rougher, and then work your way through the grades. We'll start with a 1500 and see how they come out. So guys, when you're doing this, you just want to gently rub over your headlight, and you're looking for this milky, watery consistency coming off. This is you taking off the outer layer of plastic. You can actually feel how rough it is. I've started on this side here, but if you bring the camera in closer, that sounds pretty smooth there, but if you come up here, you can actually hear the difference in how rough they are. And this bit here I've just done, it feels almost smooth already. So these headlights are going to come up really well. You just need to make sure you keep it wet and just be gentle with it. Don't rub too hard. You just want to clean up the outer layer and take the rough off it. Okay guys, what you're looking for on your headlights is this uniform hazy pattern across the whole headlight. But what it should feel is smooth. Should be smooth to the touch. You shouldn't feel that roughness anymore. So at this stage we've removed all the bad plastic. What we need to do now is start polishing them back up so they're clear again. So we're going to start with about 2000 grit sandpaper, wet and dry again. We'll get these rubbed down and we'll come back in a second.
So that's us just finished up with the 2000 grit, and they're super smooth, but as you can see they're still super hazy. So what you're going to want to do now is use a rubbing compound. We use G3. This can be found on yourhomebuilt.com, as well as almost every product that we use in our videos. This can be used by hand. It does take a little bit longer, and it is definitely an arm workout, but for time we're going to use our machine polisher and get it crystal clear again. So as you saw from the time lapse, we did 3 in total passes of the G3, and as you can see, look at that, it looks brand new. It looks like it's just came out of the box. Let's get the other one done and they'll be good as new. So that's us just finished up with the polishing, and as you can see, the transformation is incredible. These are like brand new and just out of the factory. But like we said, G3 went everywhere, went flying all over the paint, our new paint job, all over the garage. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video.
Whoa. That's still going to be it. The transformation in these is brilliant, but it doesn't just work on headlights. So we're going to do our tail lights as well. You can do brake lights, you can do side repeaters, any plastic lens this works on. So let's get the tail lights done, because you'll see in one of our other videos we've painted this. And if we put these back in, it would look terrible. So let's get these cleaned up and new looking and really finish off the back end of this Mini. Okay guys, as you can see, headlights are done, tail lights are done, the transformation's brilliant. They look brand new again, and it's only took us what, an hour to do all of them, really, an hour and a half. Now obviously if you just put them straight back on the car like that, the UVs are going to attack them again, so we need to try and protect them with something. There's a few ways of doing it. You can put a wax on there, you can put a sealant, you can polish them every week. I've found the best way to do it is just to use a few coats of lacquer. So if you head on down to, like we went down to Halfords today and we picked up the Body Shop lacquer. Now this lacquer's got a UV protectant in it, so a good few coats of this, they'll be crystal clear and they'll stay crystal clear for a lot longer using UV protectant lacquer. So let's put a couple of mist coats on, get it tacky, then we'll put a couple of nice coats on, let it dry, and they'll be ready to reinstall in the car.
So that's the tail lights all dry now, and we can now take off the masking tape from around the edges, and then what we'll do is we'll throw them into the back of the Mini, see how they look. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully it did help you. If you've got any feedback, drop it in the comments below, because we do always reply to it and it does really help us out. We'll see you on Sunday for the next episode on the Road to Super series, so hit the notification bell. I promise you, you don't want to miss it. We'll see you in the next one. Roll the outro.